Hummus time. We're gonna make a very simple, basic hummus recipe. We're gonna need chickpeas, tahini, garlic, lemon juice, couple of spices, and parsley. Basically, you put everything in the chickpeas. There are about 4 cups of chickpeas. Go in. 3 tablespoons of tahini. Scoop that in. 3 cloves of garlic. Juice of 3 lemons. For spices, I use 1 tablespoon of cumin, 1 tablespoon of paprika, and 1 teaspoon of turmeric. All going in. A bunch of parsley. You can use any herb, you can use cilantro, salt and pepper, of course, always. Olive oil. How much olive oil? I would say about half a cup of olive oil. Maybe a cup of water, just to make it easier for the blender to blend everything. So here you are. Halfway. Let's taste it. Now, the more you blend it, the creamier it will become. Some people like it creamy, some people like it a little bit more chunky. Let's taste it. It's very good. A little salt and pepper. A little bit more water to make it easier to blend. And it's ready. You notice this one is a little bit more green than yellow because of the parsley. Hummus. Enjoy!